Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can turn our notes, our research and content into amazing mind maps using NotebookLM's new feature. And this tool can give you visual overviews of everything you're working on, making it easier to organize your ideas, to spot the connections and to unlock these deeper insights. So let's dive in and see how it works. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to NotebookLM, and once you're here you're going to create your new notebook, and once you've opened that you'll see that you have an option to upload any kinds of documents that you have or links to a website or a YouTube video, or you can paste in the text there if you want. So I'm just going to actually start off with showing you how you can mind map a YouTube video and even transform that video content into a really organized mind map that will support your work. So I'm going to select the YouTube link, and then I'm going to head over to the video that I want mind mapped. And you can see this is a full course. It's got 10 lessons on AI agents for beginners. I'm going to take the link of that video and I'm going to go back to my notebook and I'm going to paste in that link. And then once I've inserted that, you can see that my YouTube video has now been uploaded. And then all I need to do really is come over here to where it says mind map, and then I'm going to select mind map, and you're going to see that it's now generating that mind map for the entire video that I have uploaded. And now once it's done, I can now open my mind map and you'll see that it's now created a really nice organized looking mind map for all 10 lessons in the video. And now I can go to each lesson, and if I click on that, you will see what are the main content parts that have been discussed in that lesson. So I have a quick summary of that, and if there's an extra part that NotebookLM wants to add additional information to that, you'll see that there's an arrow pointing to that, and then I've got the information on that as well. And you can see how that will really help you to really focus on the parts that you want to understand from the lessons. And once you've focused on the parts of the mind map that you want, you can come over to the export button, and then you can export your mind map, and then you've got this really nice visual mind map that you can also add to your notes or to your presentation. So the next way we're going to be using mind maps video feature is to actually upload a research article and then have it mind map an article for us in order for it to extract the key insights and main points in the article. So I'm just going to start off here by uploading my article. Now you can see that my PDF has been uploaded, and again I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go into mind map, and you can see it's generating the mind map for me. And now once that's generated, it literally takes a few seconds. Again, I can click on that, and then I have all the elements, the main features of the article, again, mind mapped. And I really like doing this for my research articles. It really helps me to focus on the main areas of the article. And then again, you can then click onto the arrows and then it will go into depth in that particular section. So here I've got the modern industry aims to reduce skill requirements. I've got here information on the studies questioning skill bias change. And again, if I click on that, now it's actually summarized those main studies that I need to be focusing on. So this is an absolutely amazing way for me to just quickly look at that research article and know the main elements that have been discussed, the sub elements in each section that I need to focus on. And again, I can download this mind map. Now, the third way that I want to show you, which is absolutely amazing in using this mind map feature, is to actually use it to synthesize information. So I've come here into a notebook, and you can see that in this particular notebook, I've got a combination of YouTube videos, I've got PDFs, I've got some web links, and I've got a large number of PDFs as well. And we've got a total of 30 sources here that talk about AI in healthcare. So again, I'm going to now go into mind map feature, selecting all these different resources, and then I'm going to generate my mind map. Okay, so you can see that it's now come back with the main elements across the 30 sources that we need to focus on. And if I just look at the techniques, for example, you'll see it will break it up into the main concepts. It's synthesized those main areas, and now I can focus onto these main concepts. I can then look at the combined challenges that it's come back with. So this is another really nice way to use NotebookLM, because then you've got all these combined sources, and then it can synthesize the key areas for you in a nice looking mind map. And then again, you can then choose to download that mind map, and then I've got all the synthesized concepts here into one clear visual. Now, the final way I want to show you of how I'm using the mind map feature is to create mind maps from different websites. So I've come here to this intermittent fasting website, which has a lot of information in terms of what is intermittent fasting, how does it work, what are the different fasting plans. You can see it's very extensive, has a lot of information. So I'm going to take that link, I'm going to go back to NotebookLM, and then where it says website, I'm going to click on that, I'm going to paste my URL, and then once it's uploaded, you can see that now I've got my intermittent fasting website that is now showing in my notebook. And then again, I'm going to click on the mind map feature. It's going to generate my mind map. And now you can see that I've got my whole article now with a definition, how it works, intermittent fasting plans, all the sections that were in the website. And then I can quickly look at each of the sections very clearly. I've got the eating plan, I've got the focus on the timing, I can see how it works, I can look at the different fasting plans that I can use. So again, very quickly, I've got this visual that will help me actually whether I want to insert this in a newsletter that I'm working on, or whether I want to use it as a teaching guide, or whether I even want to insert it in a presentation. So there's so many different ways that you can use the mind map feature, and it's absolutely free and it's instant and will really help support you in learning and in visualizing key concepts across multiple data formats. So I hope you found this video useful, and see you in the next video.